Okay. I mentioned to you the legacy. What is a legacy? These are the things that is being left. These are the things that is being left by what we call by people that are ahead of us. And the people that are ahead of us were considered to be our forefathers, our ancestors, or our elders in the church, our preachers in the past. So these were considered as our forefathers. So continuing the things that is being left, we will go on, we will carry on. You carry the task and responsibility that is already ahead of us. In our seminar workshop that's going on, my brethren in Christ, we are studying so many principles and precepts of leadership that we need to continue. We need to carry on. We need to expand what we call the things that we are learning from day to day. So here in our spiritual life, in our physical life, I say, there are many things that we are going to continue the task that is already ahead of us. Let's go to our spiritual life. In the field of what we call spiritual life, in the realm of spiritual life, what are the things that we need to continue? Let's go to some of the verses that will help us on what shall we continue. In Acts chapter 2, beginning in verse 41 and 42, those that were baptized during this, what we call the first Pentecost day, they continued steadfastly in apostles' doctrine, in fellowship, in the breaking of bread, and in prayers. So there are four things that the early Christians had continued during the time: fellowship, prayer, breaking of bread, and most of all, let me repeat, the apostles'